All right, now what's interesting is that in that article, he goes on to say, which I was a little bit shocked. I know I was really actually quite shocked because he then points out to another phenomenon that I'm hearing a whole lot in businesses and with a lot of clients that I speak with, is that they want to completely eliminate meetings, all right? And he points out an article, again, another article in Inc. magazine, in which he basically says that we should avoid meetings altogether, and that's Mark Cuban's. Now listen, you guys, I have to be humble about this. I mean, I can't compete against Mark Cuban. I can't compete against the Bezos of the world that hate meetings and that they're trying to find different ways to do it. So I respectfully disagree, but it doesn't make sense because what I'm reading in these articles is that the style that they're wanting to find an alternative, okay, the style that they're saying we shouldn't, the alternative is a style that is only driven by a certain personality. So let me explain to you what I mean by this. The article goes on to say that we should not conduct meetings, but instead we should conduct business via email. Now, guys, I cannot tell you how, well, no, I sure can't tell you, okay, is how, just how inefficient that is, okay? It works for him, but I certainly would love to be able to meet with a lot of his managers and a lot of supervisors and say, okay, now is it working for you guys? I would encourage all of you out there listening not to go this route, because if anything is killing our communication and if anything is hurting our efficiencies, is the overwhelming amount of emails that we constantly have to do. And the reason for that is because we don't have good meetings. And I think the overreaction to not having meetings is because we just don't have good meetings. Okay? And so most of our meetings are sort of like this. Let me show you, okay? Let me point out to the monitor, okay? This is what meetings have become in America.
Understanding this stuff is really important. So let's just jump right in. Come on, folks. We just started.
Who's a pretty pony? You're a pretty
Hello?
pony.
Not playtime.
Oh, yes, master.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Good. You. You guys.
It's no wonder, Mark Cuban, it's no wonder executives all over the place. I would agree with this. This is a huge problem in corporate America. Meetings are inefficient. My take on it is don't kill meetings. Kill all your bad meetings and start replacing them with good meetings. And the two go together. If you have good meetings, you eliminate bad meetings and make sure only PowerPoints that are relevant and useful and very well presented should make it into your meetings. Other than that, kill bad PowerPoints. It's not an either or. It's not no PowerPoint or a bunch of PowerPoint. It is a right usage of PowerPoint. And it's not no meetings or all meetings. Is no, kill the bad meetings, only have really good meetings and combine the two. Good PowerPoints, good presentations. Teach your people how to present their ideas, which is really what this book's about, which I'm going to recommend on segment 4. Okay, teach your people how to present really well their ideas, and you'll see the efficiency and your productivity climb really high.